Hey you guys, it's Peter, and welcome to my channel, Peter. Ba 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 ba. Review stuff. Boom 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 boom. And today I am so excited to review something today. Well, it's kind of, I like to say, a cooking video. I'm basically a chef over here, and by a chef I mean that I use my microwave, and yeah, I'm twirling right now my Birkenstock sandal around with my toe. It's one of my big talents. But anyway, we're gonna cook over here today. And I wanted to be a cheerleader too. Okay, so now if you watch my vlog, do you watch my vlog? It's called Peter Vlogs. It's an hour and a half from the driveway to 2 hours every day. You should go check it out. If you watch my vlog, whoo, I'm winded from that little dance intro. Maniac, maniac. Okay, anyway, if you watch my vlog or if you watch my Peter Monn channel, you know that I have talked about that I am totally obsessed with two things. Number one, Ruffles cheddar and sour cream chips. Not sponsored. These are absolutely delicious. I am so addicted to these. And then I am also addicted, as you can see, because this is what our whole closet looks like. And then my husband says, well, we actually use those little, what do you call it, those folder things where you clip them. He says, why do you not just throw those away? And I'm like, because you don't know that the people that deliver food, that they might not be able to deliver these, and then I won't have any chips. And so these little chips add up. Okay, we save them. Whew. Now, I have to tell you, my favorite onion dip of life, okay, is the Lay's onion dip. Now, I explained it, I defined it, created a definition ingredient list, okay, the other day when I was on my drama channel, and I said that onion dip by Lay's is kind of like if you took some mayonnaise and you mixed some sriracha in with it, and then some cut up onions, and you left it on the countertop for like 2 weeks. That's basically what the onion dip is from Lay's. It's delicious. It's absolutely, it's like one of the most fantastic, fabulous and fantastic processed foods in the entire world, okay? Like, literally, it's like if people are making mayonnaise in a factory, it's like the sludge that they cut off the top of the mayonnaise is the onion dip, and it is so good, okay? But I have to tell you, recently, when I've been having stuff delivered, they've been out of the onion dip because I guess I've been talking about it too much, just like those Pippi the Chiffon dolls back in the day from the Dollar General. I started talking about those and everybody had to have them. So I've been having to buy this Lay's ranch, okay, which the onion dip looks just like this. But let me just tell you, this ranch is S-H-I tut. Okay, it does not hold, and I like ranch, okay? I like a good ranch with my french fries in a ranch, piece of pizza in a ranch. I love ranch from the Midwest. But this ranch does not hold a hair, okay, to the onion dip. So I need something new. Well, one night I was online and people were recommending to me to get the Dean's onion dip. So I got the Dean's onion dip. I don't love the Dean's onion dip. I just don't, okay? It's okay. It's okay. It's not the most fantastic onion dip in the entire world. I said, in comparison to the processedness of Lay's, that the Dean's tastes, well, awfully fresh. Too fresh, so to speak. So then everybody started recommending that I buy this hella good onion dip, okay? Now, I will tell you that I have 1, 2, 3 hella goods in the refrigerator that just were delivered. So I thought, why not try the hella good dip? Oh no, but it gets better because everybody has been saying, do you remember back in the day when people made their own homemade onion dip? Oh my God, homemade out of a box. So today, I am going to compare the hella good dip, okay, here it is, let's get a thumbnail here in a second, to the Lipton Recipe Secrets onion dip. I haven't done one of those thumbnails in a while. So here, we're going to try this. Now, I'm going to save this over here for a second, and we're going to try to make the Lipton Recipe Secrets onion dip, which is on the back. Okay. Ooh, I need my readers. 2 cups, prep time, 5 minutes. So we got 5 more minutes here. Now I pulled out, my husband, we were at the Costco and he wanted all this kind of Tupperware stuff. So we got a whole set of it. Literally our whole refrigerator, he's got everything like maxed out and prepped up and everything like that. So we have all these really nice like Tupperware containers. So I don't know how, like I should probably put it in here, not the smaller one. This is probably, yeah. That's how I measure things. That's how I measure things around here. Yeah, that'll work. Oh, look, it's perfect. Okay, so that's how you measure. So we're going to start. Oh, God, it's hot up in this kitchen, my Lord. It's hot as beans in here. Okay, so we're going to try this classic onion dip. Number 1, envelope Lipton Recipe Secrets onion soup mix. Oh, these are the ingredients, I guess. Okay, so let's open this up. Oh, there's 2 in here. Oh my God, I could make 2 onion dips. Well, I only got 1 sour cream. Okay. 1 container of sour cream. I got 1 container of 16-ounce sour cream, which is what you need, see? 1 pound. Okay. That's all you need. It's real simple. Whew. Blend all ingredients in medium bowl. Chill if desired. Serve with your favorite dippers. Well, we already know what those are. So anyway, okay, this prep time. Why would this possibly even take you 5 minutes? I don't really understand. You could even just mix it in here. Oh my God. I am so smart. I should totally do that. Like, this is just a waste. I'm gonna have to clean this off in the dishwasher later. I should probably just try to mix it in here. Oh my God, I wonder if the Ninja would work with this. But I heard that Ninja explodes and stuff, so I don't think I'll be doing that. But I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm gonna put all this into this bowl right here. Come on, goop it. Oh, no. Those little wet spots of sour cream are never good, are they? Okay, so I kind of just like sour cream by itself, you know, with nacho chips, or, but then you have to add, you know, cheese and guac, and I guess I don't really like sour cream just by itself. I mean, it's okay on Mexican food. I love it with Mexican food, but, so there, you put all that in there. Look, I'm cooking already. Someone's in the kitchen with Peter. Do you know what this looks like? It looks like homemade whipped cream. Oh my God, do you guys love homemade whipped cream so much? I like whipped cream, but I don't like to make it homemade. Okay, now look what I'm gonna do. They didn't tell you to do this. This is a little secret trick of Peter's. I'm gonna put like a little hole in the dip, and then I'm gonna put the onion stuff inside of it. Oh my God. Woo, it all fits. Don't you like it when it fits? Family, oh my Lord, family friendly. Okay, but no. Circle in the square. Do you remember that pyramid show back in the day? Look at this. And then you just, ooh. Am I crying yet? You think these are real onions? It looks pretty good. It doesn't hold a candle. Candle. I said hair. Damn it, Janet. That one, I knew what I was talking about. This looks pretty good. Kind of. If I just wasted all this sour cream that I could have used on my burritos in there, I'm going to be so pissed. Oh my God, I mean bitter. I mean angry. I'm going to be upset. I'm going to be upset. Cry me a river over that one. Okay, oh my God, I'm such a cook. Look at that. That took less than 5 minutes. I think I should win some kind of an award. So, we're going to open the Heluva. Oh, it's still kind of white at the top over here. So this is what it looks like when you make it all good and done. Then we got the Heluva dip over here, French onion dip. This is classic onion dip. This is Heluva French onion dip. Okay. Now I told you not to lick this, okay? But let me teach you a little trick on how you can clean up. Are you ready? So you just hold it down like that, and then look, and it picks it up. This is magic cleaning tricks with Peter. And then see what you do is you put it in here like that, and then you put your little thing like this in here, and then you put that, and then you basically cleaned up as you go. Isn't that so magic? Okay. It could be magic. Did you ever see Xanadu back in the day? I love that show. So here we have our 2 dips right here. Don't be a dip. My mother used to call me a dip back in the day. She's like, you're such a dip. Mother! Okay, so let's try this. First I'm going to try the Heluva, because this is what everybody's talking. Well, it's really hard, and so all my chips are breaking up. Imagine that. That is hella good. That is hella good. It is so good. It's fresh, but it's spicier than the Dean's. It's much better than the Dean's. I like it. I think I might like this better than the Lay's. This is really good. My husband doesn't like onion dip, so I can eat it right out. Okay. I give that, that's good. I give that a steady 4.8. Now let's try my homemade. Everybody likes Grandma's recipe. Not me. I hated my grandma's macaroni and cheese. Well, This tastes like the Lay's. This is really good though. But you know what's weird is that you can kind of taste like, I mean, if I had to pick one or the other, I definitely would pick this one. The Hella Good is so much better than the Homeade. But this isn't bad at all. Now I have all this onion dip. Oh my god, I'm gonna come out of this quarantine 400 pounds. It's all gonna just be onion dip. I'm gonna be like, can I get liposuction? I don't really need that. Can you just suck out all the onion dip? This is so good, both of them. I mean, I definitely, like, if I was pressed, I would eat this. And I would eat this over the Lay's. This is better than the Lay's. And definitely better than that ranch. But the Hella Good is really, really good. No wonder they're named that. Mmm. Okay. So, I'm going to give this a 4.9. Which you always want to leave room for improvement. Okay? And I would give this a 4.7. And I would give the Lay's a 4.6. And I would give the Dean's a 4.3. And there are all the onion dips. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like onion dip? Put it in the comment section below. I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.